back to you with another video. Nothing better than a warm fire on a cold day. And I've been a slacker. I just had my bricks stacked up, but I finally decided to make it a little more official. Got some more bricks from Home Depot. Each one's like $1.50 or 50 cents. Some concrete, little Saccrete instant concrete. And I already had the design of the pit, stacked up without the concrete. But thought the concrete would just make it more official and more steady. So I took down what I had and was going back with the same design. Mixed up the concrete with enough water to make it kind of loose, and put it on each level. After I took down the levels, a little bit of concrete, not at every level, the very base level. I figured the weight would hold it down. Not much concrete on each one, honestly. And then for each stone placed, I just went one at a time because it dries really fast. Starting at the very bottom, built it up, and then put concrete in between the joints. And guys, I can walk on this thing, it does not move. So it worked out so well at my house. I was like, you know what? This is the before. This is the after. Haven't burnt my stuff again because I'm in Florida and it's hot again. I went up to Georgia to visit my parents and thought I would make one for them. So my dad has a burn pile. He always puts trash and, debris from the yard in. And this is just a stack of bricks. And, the dirt was a little dug out already. We dug out the circle, a little better form to sink the rocks down in it. The advantage they have, or I should say the bricks down in it. They already had some bricks there, so I worked with that. And came up a few levels and brought some more of the decorative bricks that I had left over. I left that dirt in there, took out a little bit of it to level it a little bit. Dad insisted on mixing up the concrete in the wheelbarrow, which was actually better than me constantly mixing up in the little bucket and bringing it back. So we mixed up the concrete, the Saccrete. He had a little bit, I had a little bit. It was enough to get this done. So we went with the bricks, and I did the same method as before, just a little bit of concrete on each level. Stacked up the first level, just expecting the dirt and the little trench to hold it in there. But then by the second level, you can see here, I went to put some bricks, some cement down there, same loose concrete, and just stacked them up and piled them up. You can see there, I'm no mason. This is not complicated stuff. It's just what I thought would work, and I was so happy with how steady it was. So you'll see there, it's only the second and the third layer that I decided to put the concrete on, and that's enough. Because in Georgia especially, the ground is kind of clayish. And once it's set, it was set. Guys, each one cost about 20 bucks. So pay attention. I will keep posting. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave them below. Share, like, subscribe. Talk to you later.